Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the X-Fly F-22 Twin 40. You have to excuse all the machinery behind us, the noise it makes, but I just updated this. Got an AR631 Spectrum receiver in it, and I just updated it to the new AS3X Plus. So we're going to see if it makes any difference at all. All right, I'm going to take off in my high rates, which for me are 100% throws and 40% expo. Okay. All right. Remember, you only have elevator and ailerons. You don't have rudder. Do a Cobra maneuver there. Cobra. Did you lose it?
Some of the maneuvers I did, but
Yeah. This little guy's got some power to him.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Full speed. Go do a Cobra again. Wish it was brighter, because then I could see the plane better. Hard for me to tell which way is up. Boy, the precision of the AS3X seems to be a lot more sensitive, a lot more intuitive, if that makes any sense at all. I'm completely out of the power now. Just it spit the it spit the water back out. Well, of all the places to land on the runway, I gotta land in their lake. All right. So now I gotta dry it out some. The reason she's not steering much is I got her. Let me reposition the battery. I'll pause this for just a moment on the video when I'm editing, but I need to reposition the battery. The cables are interfering with my steering. Yeah. I don't think that's going to help any at all. Well, shoot. We'll see if that helps any. All right. we'll take off again from right there. Run a 2600 4S.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'll take it up, over, and then cobra right on up. Well, I didn't really do it. Didn't have enough momentum there. What a great flying little F-22. Take it straight up and over. She's strictly a bank and yank. I love that water.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, we're going to take off from down there. Oh, great flying little F-22. Yeah, it just seems like the AS3X, maybe it's just my imagination, but it just seems to be more intuitive, if that makes any sense at all. All right.
Prop secured.
I like 100% rates, 40% expo on. That's why, because it has touchy ailerons and elevators, so I dialed a lot more expo in. Row rudder, and just to see if it helps. It does help some. But yeah, the AS3X seems quite. I can't explain it. It's one of those things you can't really put words to it. It just feels better. If that makes any sense at all. Just feels right. All right, 33%, so good thing we stopped. All right. Anyways, that's the X-Fly F-22 Twin 40. I bought it at Banana Hobby. I want to say they're $179, $189, something like that. Great flying little planes. Got twin 20 amp ESCs. Runs on a 4S. Anywhere from an 1800 up to a 2600, which is what I've got in here. And you don't have any choice. The 2600 takes up the entire battery bay. You have no wiggle room. So I'm going to put an 1800 in here next, and I'm going to slide as far forward as I can in that battery bay, just to see how she does. She might get a little bit better performance, but I'm going to cut the time back by 30 seconds just to be on the safe side. Make it 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes. But that's a great flying little plane. I'm starting to see a little bit about the 3X Plus, about how it is just seemed a little more intuitive. Like I said, maybe it's just my imagination, but it does seem that way. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless each and every one of y'all. And that is the X-Fly Twin 40 F-22 Raptor. God is great, and that's a Raptor. Bye-bye.